Such a beautiful morning. Had quite a frost last night. You can see. Busy life is going on out there. Just thinking about this morning how much beauty and nature means to me. It's just so important. And also just the purity. I mean, nature is so pure and so real and so authentic. And our lives are becoming more and more just not very natural. So returning to nature in some way in life is just so valuable, because that's where we come from. We are a part of nature. We just forget. So just on my morning chores, and we've had all the lambs butchered now, so we're just going to today starts the season of mating. So I've taken off the ram had an apron on. I've taken that off today. So in 5 months' time, the new lambs will be coming. So I'll just go and get. I always tie the ram when I go and do something in there, because he can be a bit aggressive. They usually are. So it's just more safe and nice for me to just tie him. We'll just have a look at the sheep first, because when I let them off I can't be in there. So we'll just have a little look at them. There. So they have fattened up so much this summer. They are really, really fat. Yeah, there's Ivy. And she's been with the ram for 2 or 3 months, so she might be pregnant already. So I can have some winter milk. But the others are going to be mated. Yeah? There's Isabella. And Felicia, yeah. And yeah, you're so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Are you afraid of the camera? Mm-hmm. Sophia, she became sick about 5 days ago. And I don't know what disease it is. Doesn't really matter. But she's getting better now. I give her lots of garlic in a drench. And she was really unwell at some point, but now she's eating the chestnuts. So cute. We've got the chestnuts here. Yeah? Yeah. You want some chestnuts? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You like them? Yeah? Yeah. And she's a dairy sheep, so she is more sensitive than the other sheep. So that's why I'm trying to mix them up so that they can be a bit stronger. Yeah, he's so cute. Is that nice? Yeah. It's really nice. Mm? Mm? Yeah. Yeah. We're up here in the tree here with the spikes. Yeah. Yeah. They're spiky. Let's see if we can get them out. Yeah. See? Here they come. See? Here. 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 There. There it is. Yeah. They used these for fodder in old times, so they must be very nutritious. There it is. Yeah, you can get it out yourself. You're very clever. Yeah. Good girl. And it's, yeah. There we are. That was nice. Oi, that was nice. That's what's so beautiful about having animals out, just where they can, and where there's lots of different plants, because they will go and take what they need the most, what their body needs. And it's really, we have this ability ourselves to eat what our body really needs. We've just lost it, but we can learn it again. I think especially when you eat fermented foods, you have a very clear feeling of what you want, what you need. So here's the morning sun. So lovely. Earth is so beautiful. We just forget to notice her beauty so often. So lots of my old videos are with these, just nature images. Ah, look at this grass here, with the light in it. If I can catch it. Beautiful. It's easy to feel gratitude when you're in nature. It's very easy. And it's apple season now also. I'm going to make an apple cake today. Our children are coming home for the weekend, so it's going to be nice. Some of our children are. We'll go and get the ram now. I will just see Fiona and Rosie, or Rose. Hi Fiona! Yeah? Oi! Hi Fiona! Yeah? Yeah? So she's only She's from April. So she's 6 months old. So she'll be ready to be mated. She is ready to be mated. Oh, she's too busy. And we've got Rose over here, and she's actually 8 months old. Rose, yeah. Rose, yeah. Is it beautiful? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Vänta. Ja, nej, stik mig her. Nice and safe. He's having some salt. Yeah, salt and garlic. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this was a little nature video for you, and sending you all my love. See you, my friends.